2, 3, 4, 5. It might sound crazy what I'm about to say.
Every summer I love coming to Okoboji so we can jump on our Cobalt Boat and enjoy the waves and the great sunshine.
Balloon that can go to space.
Really like our Cobalt. I got a 232 and I've had it for about 5 years, and we equivocated to our Lexus, which is, I mean, it's the same kind of vehicle.
It's awesome.
Except it's on water.
Feel like happiness is the truth. What happiness is to you.
Love our Cobalt. It's our Cobalt number 5. Ready to buy another one.
I was sold on the Cobalt as soon as we pulled away from the dock. The ride superior, the quality of the materials used in the boat. I love everything about my Cobalt.
Probably warn you I'll be just fine.
I looked at the Cobalts, fell in love with them, came back and bought one. So, there you go, bud.
I like how fast that 242 planes. It's fantastic.
Clap along if you feel like happiness.
We love our Cobalt. We have lots of fun on it.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
I love my Cobalt, first of all, because it's a nice, heavy boat and it cuts through the waves really well. Gives us a very comfortable ride. And also, my new Cobalt has the Volvo engines in it, and they accelerate really well. And it's just a neat boat to drive, so we enjoy it.
Bring me down, hey night. Bring me down, my love is too high. Bring me down, hey night. Bring me down.
We love our Cobalt.
Clap along if you feel like
I love my Cobalt 242 complex.
you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. You already know that's what you wanna do. Clap along if you feel like without a roof, oh yeah, yeah.
Love our Cobalt.
You feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. Let me talk to you. Bring me down, can't I? Bring me down. Love is too